In this video, I'll show you how to sell Canva templates on Etsy. First, create your template in Canva. This could be something like a social media post, planner, invitation, or business card. Once your design is finished, make sure it's clean, easy to edit, and ready for customers to customize. Instead of downloading the design, click Share, then choose Template Link so other people can use and edit the template in their own Canva account. Next, copy that template link and save it. You'll need it for your Etsy listing. Since Etsy doesn't allow direct Canva links as downloadable files, many sellers place the link inside a PDF file that contains instructions and the template access link. Now go to Etsy and open Shop Manager, then click Listings and select Add a Listing. Upload preview images showing what the template looks like and explain what buyers will receive. For the product type, choose Digital Product, then upload the PDF that contains your Canva template link. Set your price, write a clear title and description, and publish the listing. When someone buys the product, Etsy will automatically deliver the PDF with the template link. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.